What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am Brian. It has been a minute since I've done a shoe review, and this one is going to be quick and dirty because I am still dealing a lot with my parents losing their home in the SoCal fires and my amazingly beautiful and smart daughter who is about to turn 2. But I just got this box in from Union LA directly, and you know what it is. It is the Jordan 1 Union LA Chicago Shadow colorway. I am so excited that I got these. The original Jordan 1 Union LA collab is up there as probably one of my top 3 favorite shoes of all time. And so I knew when this one came out that I had to have it, and I applied to the raffle directly on Union LA's site, and I got the checkout email. So let's get into it. Let's check these out. Let's see if they live up to the OGs. And here we go. We've got the box. This box looks pretty familiar. I'm not sure if it's identical to the original release, but sure looks like it is. Let's get it open. What do we got? Some nice paper. Wow, the shoes are individually wrapped, it would seem. Yes, they are. Wow, okay. All right. Makes it a little bit harder to get them out. And what do we think of these? They are nice. These are really, really nice. I had heard through the grapevine that the leather did not necessarily live up to the quality of the original. I don't know that I would agree with that. I mean, the leather on these shoes can vary quite a bit between shoe to shoe. I remember that about the original release. But the quality of the leather that I'm seeing here is very premium. The only thing that I think I like better on the original shoe is the suede at the top here is very, very, very nappy. It gives it a really nice texture, but it's just not as soft as I would have hoped it would be. It almost looks like it's been worn in already, which is not the case because these are brand new. This colorway is fantastic. One of the things about the original release that made it so cool is the fact that it was so unique and interesting with the deconstructed elements on the foam tongue. The extra stitching around here that kind of looks like you've got 2 shoes that are being sewn together, which in this case would be a Chicago colorway Jordan 1, again with a shadow colorway Jordan 1 up top. I don't know if I like this on the tongue. We have a kind of different feeling tag at the top. I think I prefer the original kind of sewn tag better, but it does give this version a unique touch for sure. The Union LA tag in the side, the embossed Air Jordan logo, the kind of suede feeling swoosh. It's basically a direct nod to the classic original release, just in a different, unique, and quite frankly, highly desirable colorway. I am a fan. I really like this quite a bit. Let's take a look at the other shoe, just to see if there's anything interesting about that one. It looks like we've got 3 sets of laces here. And let me just pull them out, because I expect they're going to be different colors at the top, and it appears that they are. I don't want to untangle this mess, but it looks like we've got one pair that turns gray at the top. Looks like we've got a straight yellow pair, a straight black pair, okay, and then the light tan looks like it turns to a gray at the top. That's pretty cool. Inside with the insole, it says Union, swoosh box. Honestly, I'm not gonna get into this like I would a typical review because I just don't have the time and bandwidth to do that, but I'm gonna tell you, if you're on the fence, if you're thinking about these, if you're wondering about the quality, if you're wondering if they're worth it, my quick and dirty analysis in hand right now, absolutely. These are clean, these are nice, the quality is there. Again, the only thing that I take a little bit of issue with is kind of how nappy or ratty this suede at the top is. I think again it gives it a nice texture. I just think it looks a little bit more beat up and frayed than I would have liked for a brand new shoe. That said, let's take a look at this other one and just make sure there are no surprises. Certainly looks very nice. Quality is on point. No issues in terms of the quality control as far as I can tell. Great colorway, fantastic shoe, great pair. That's it for this one. Again, not gonna get into this too much, but if you wanna know if this shoe is worth it, it absolutely is. There is a reason that these are still reselling, surprisingly, after the release for north of $600. I hope they release on sneakers. I hope that people get another crack at these. It would be a shame if these were as limited as to be only from Union LA directly. We will have to cross our fingers and see. That's all I've got for this one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you at the next one soon.